This pizza is perfect for those who are lazy. In a pan, start by adding a little oil and spread all over the pan. Then add 6 slices of loaf bread. I'm using a pizza flavored tomato sauce, but it could be another one of your preference. Add a tablespoon of sauce and spread on each slice. Spread this very well. Add 150 grams of grated mozzarella, but if you prefer, it can be sliced. One slice of pepperoni sauce, chop it into slices. Half can of green corn, one tomato cut into slices, one onion cut into slices too, basil to taste, and oregano also to taste. If you prefer, you can add a little salt. Now just take it and put in the preheated oven at 200 degrees for 20 minutes. Guys, our lazy pizza is ready. Super quick and easy to make. Make this pizza at your home, and I'm sure that everyone will love it. This was another little recipe here from the Poor in the Kitchen. That's strong hug. Until the next time, and thanks for watching.